Hello everybody, my name is Ronald, and today I'm going to be discussing the future forecast of technology in my work sector, which is going to be robotics engineering. So, I don't know if anyone has seen, but moving on to the next segment, these robotic arms right here. These are going to be a really big and almost pivotal role whenever it comes to autonomous engineering, or autonomous manufacturing rather. What these are responsible for are assembling parts, gathering materials, handling dangerous materials, and/or anything you really assign them to. I believe a certain company labeled them as cobots, but they're just robotic arms at the end of the day. So these can do pretty much anything from manufacturing automobiles, like at the Ford manufacturing plants, to manufacturing aeronautics pieces, so airplane parts like wings or anything involving aeronautics, mind you. And they can also be a part in medicine as well, so doing fine movements, dropping an exact amount of liquid or solid or anything, mind you. The potential for these are limitless. Another key factor is in spacefaring. So they actually had one on the Mars rover whenever they sent it to Mars. And all it does is it collects rock samples for scientists to observe and experiment on. But I think the biggest hurdle whenever it comes to these kind of machines are there is not a sense of synchrony whenever it comes to these this robotic equipment and people. So if you aren't trained properly with how to work alongside this kind of equipment, you will get hurt, and very badly, and very quickly. For example, you do not get in the path or script of the robotic equipment because it will run you over because it does not know you're there. So that has got to be the biggest hurdle. If we can make it to where each arm knows exactly what's around it, and it'll stop to not collide with any other objects, like people, for example, that is going to be a big development. Now, that is on the software side of things, but still, it's going to be a really big hurdle that has been jumped over. Moving on to the next segment, circling back to spacefaring. So, if rocks from space collide with the spaceship, the arms can fix it from the outside, and that way you're able to repair the ship without risking the life of an astronaut, which is always better than putting someone's life at risk. And like I had said before, they put them on rovers to collect soil samples, water samples, anything like that. And you can use them anywhere for anything. And I think that is why they are only going to get better moving forward. Thank you. Everyone have a lovely day.